Hi, welcome to Code Chappy. Today we're going to see the demo for IPL match predictions app using machine learning project. Let's see how to start the project. First open the IPL match predictions folders. These are the files, project files. First open the Visual Studio Code and open it. These are the Visual Studio Code. It left side import the project files. These are the files. You can click the src files. All source codes are there and open it. Next open the readme files in notepad++. These are the readme files. All details are there. Let's see how to start the machine learning project. Open the Anaconda prompt. Always open in run as administrator. Open it. These are the Anaconda prompt. Go to the readme files. First command cd project path. Go to the project path. Copy the project path and paste the prompt. Enter it. Next go to the readme files. If you want to install the requirements, you can copy the command and paste the prompt. Next run the project. Copy the command, paste the prompt and enter it. It automatically open the project. These are the project. Let's start project explanations. These are the IPL match predictions and analysis app. You can view all the details. Matches, what are the match teams are there. You can view details. Go to the project files. Click the dataset. All datasets are there. If you want to view the delivery Excel sheet, you can click and open it. These are the delivery Excel sheet. All data sets are there. You can view all the details. Team wise and unique, you can view it. Next you can view the IPL Excel sheet. You can open it. All data sets in IPL. You can view all the details. Wicket wise, run wise, over wise, you can view the details. Next go to the project files. You can click matches. If you want to view the matches in Excel sheet, you can view the all data sets for the matches. Or are the matches team wise, team 1, team 2, toss winners. You can view result. You can view all the details. If you want to view the data set, we can view it. Come back to the project. First you can click the EDA, exploratory data analysis on IPL data. So if you want to, you can view the IPL data in matches data wise. You can table wise, you can view it. These are the table wise. Next you can view the table wise deliveries data. These are the delivery data. View in table wise. You can view the details at a bowling team, batting team, batsman, non-stick bowler. You can view all the details. Next you can view the matches per season 2008 to 2019. You can view the bar chart wise. You can view it count. Next you can view the season. What is season? You can highest count. You can view all the details. Next you can view the player on the match award received by the player. You can view the first. You can left side the player names. What are the count? You can view all the details. Next you can view the top 20 venues with most matches. What are the venues you can matches counted? You can view all the details. Highest venue for the first. Next you can view the team with most match winners. Team wise you can win the analytic data. You can view it. Team next you can view the count wise. You can view it. Main then the highest count you can view it. Next you can team with most toss wins. You can view the most toss wins. You can view the team wise. You can view it. First highest toss winners Mumbai Indians. Next, you can view the changes of the team winning matches if they win the toss. When click, you can view the pie chart wise, you can view it. What are the colors, what are the team vises you can include it. Chennai Super Kings a blue color. You can analytic data also. Table wise you can analytic. Next you can view the team winning toss and matches both since 2008. You can view the toss and matches wins. What are the Chennai Super Kings are the highest wins in 2008. You can view all the details. Next, top 20 players with most runs. You can view the bar chart wise, you can view it. Values and wicket goalie is runs. You can view table wise, you can view it. Next, most expensive bowlers. Overall expensive bowlers, you can view the total runs and bowlers. Name wise, you can view it. Next, you can view first over most expensive bowlers. Player wise, you can view it. Bowler wise, you can what are the B. Kumaran's highest bowler. Next, 20 over most expensive bowlers. You can view it. Next, overall average runs for each team since 2008. You can view team wise, you can view it. Average runs for the each teams. Runs for 10 8. If you want to choose any, you can automatically view team wise or run wise, you can view it. Next, toss decisions based on top venues. Toss winner choice based on the venues. You can view it. Toss winner. What are the venues? What are the venue? What toss winner? You can view it. Next, average runs scored by difference. You can play teams. You can score wise. You can view it. Next, total runs by different team lost over since start of IPL. Can view playing teams and scores. What are the playing teams? Can highest Mumbai Indians for the highest teams. Runs with the different team lost over the first 80s in 2008. Total runs playing team versus scores. Total runs. Next, you can view the average runs. Playing teams scores. Chennai Super Kings average runs. Next, total runs scored for each season. You can total runs scored in each season. You can view the graph wise. You can view it. Total run seasons. Seasons wise you can view it. Next, count of match by different umpires. Match played. You can what are the umpires? You can name. You can view the bar chart wise. You can view it. Highest and smallest you can view it. Next, lucky venues for teams. You can view the pie chart wise. You can view it. Sunrisers Hyderabad. What are the venues for the lucky venues? This for the color predicted the values. And next, you can view the Royal Challenger team. Individual teams you can view the pie charts. Okay. Next, Kolkata Knight Rider. Next, you can Punjab wise you can view it. Next, Mumbai Indians wise you can view it. Next, team with more than 200 scores. What are the runs and teams? You can team wise you can view it. These are the EDA. Next, you can view the team versus team. You can click team versus team. IPL analysis of team versus team. First, you can choose a team 1. What are the choose? You can team 1. Opponent for the team 2. Team 2. Next, you can click the analysis. Click analysis, automatically predict the data. Chennai versus Bangalore. You can click analysis, you can automatically predict the data. First, count, you can winning the count. Team wise, you can winning the count. Next, CSK versus RGB played the match. You can view team wise, you can view the player, how many MS Dhoni Player wise you can view it. Next, CSK vs RCB. CSK average total scores. View in graph wise you can view it. Bowling was RCB. Runs for what are the runs you can highest runs you can view it. Next, RCB average total scores. Bowling for CSK. Total runs for the RCB. You can view the graph wise you can view it. If you want to zoom the graph you can zoom it. Next, CSK versus RCB match win based on the city. City wise you can view it. What are the cities you can count? Bangalore was the highest city, you can view with it. If you want to chart wise, next you can. If you want to table wise, you can view it. Next, you can 6 hit by the player team CSK versus RCB. What are the players you can sixes? You can view all the highest 6 for the MS Dhoni. Next, number of 4 hit by the players of team CSK versus RCB. SK Raina was the highest for 4 players. Next, number of the 6 hit by the player of team RCB versus CSK. Virat Kohli is the highest 6s. Player wise, again number of 6s wise. Next, we can number of the 4 hit by the player of our team RCB versus CSK. Virat Kohli also 4 number of the 4 highest. Next, you can player analysis. Click player analysis. IPL analysis for the player. First, we can choose the player. MS Dhoni. You can choose it. Click analysis. Analytic for the MS Dhoni data. First, performance against different team. Total runs, bowling teams. You can view the analytic data. Next, MS Dhoni performance against different bowlers. Bowlers wise you can analyze the charts. Total runs you can view bowler name. You can player bowler wise you can. Next, MS Dhoni runs with partner at non-sticker. Non-sticker with the partner. You can view analyze that data. You can view the details. Next, MS Dhoni runs on different innings. Runs wise and inning wise you can view it. These are the MS Dhoni players. The details, IPL details. Next, you can click the team analysis. First, you can choose the team analysis. First, you can choose player analysis. Next, you can view the team analysis. You can choose a team. Mumbai Indians team or Chennai Super Kings, anything you can choose it. Click the analysis. Data was analyzed automatically analyzed. First, you can view the Chennai Super Kings average score against different opponents. You can view the graph wise. You can view it. Bowling teams. You can CSK. You can view it. Average runs scored by Chennai Super Kings in different overs. Overs wise you can view the graph wise. You can view it. Highest graph over is 20. Total runs is level. You can view it. Next, Chennai Super Kings toss decision. You can view the count. Next, you can view the value wise. You can view it. Batting, fielding. Next, Chennai Super Kings match win based on venues. Highest venues Chintram. You can view the chart wise. You can view it. Next, Chennai Super Kings 200 runs, total 16s. What are the runs? You can data and runs. Total runs you can view it. Analytic the chart wise you can view it. Next, Chennai Super Kings top 10 lowest runs. You can view the chart wise. You can view it. What are the lowest run Chennai Super Kings? You can view all the analytic for the data. Next, go to the batsman versus bowler. You can click batsman versus bowler. First, choose the batsman. For example, choose for MS Dhoni. Next, you can choose bowler. Bowler wise. B Kumaran. You can anything. You can choose it. Click analyze. Automatically predict the data. Match ID, batting team, bowling team, over, batsman. You can view the table wise, you can view the data. Next, we can view the full details. Total bowls bowled, batting team wise, bowling wise, you can view it. Next, total bowling on 52. Total runs, you can view the 92. 6, 5, 4s, 6 dot balls are 16, white balls are 3. You can view all the data. MS Dhoni versus B Kumaran. Next, go to the predict first winning scores. Click the predict first inning score. IPL first inning score for the predictions. First, you can choose a batting team at the moment. Chennai Super Kings is the batting team. Bowling team at the moment, you can choose Mumbai Indians. Anything you can choose it. Enter the values. Enter current score of battings. 150 or 170. Anything you can enter it. How many runs last over 5 years? How many the wicket last 5 years? Enter all the details. You encoded the input data. These are the input data. What are the enter the input? You can, if you want to predict the score, you can click predict score. The prediction score will be between 180 to 190. Automatically view it. If you want to enter the input, you can automatically predict the data. Next, go to the predict winner probability based on second innings. IPL winner prediction based on the second innings. First, you can choose a batting team at the moment. Next, you can choose a bowling at the moment. Bowling is at Delhi, batting is Chennai. Choose a host city of the matches. You can choose anything else. Next, you can enter the target score need to be chased. Next, you can current score of the playing teams. 70 or anything you can enter it. Next, over left to achieve the target. For example, 7 or 13, anything you can enter. Wicket lost by the playing teams. Anything you can enter 4. What are the input? You can view the encoded input data, so you can view the details. Next, if you want to predict the winner, click predict winner. You can automatically view the winner details. Chennai Super Kings 52%, Delhi Capital 48%. What are the input? You can automatically click the predict winner, automatically view the predict winner details. Now come back to the home page. That's all about the explanations. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.